In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up products and services in QuickBooks Online. I'll walk you through the exact options you'll see on screen so you can follow along confidently and get your catalog set up the right way. Start by clicking All Apps. This takes you to the app list where key features are grouped. Under the Sales and Get Paid section, select Products and Services. This opens the area where you'll store everything you sell, whether it's your time, a digital deliverable, or a physical product you don't need to track by quantity. Next, click the plus new button to create your first item. You'll be asked to choose a type. Pick service if you're listing something you do, like consulting, design, or installation. Choose non-inventory item if you sell goods, but don't track the on-hand quantity in QuickBooks, such as custom prints or items you order as needed. If you already have a list, select Batch Import to upload multiple products or services using a spreadsheet. Just make sure your columns match the fields you'll see here for the smoothest import. Enter the name of your product or service. Keep it clear and customer-friendly so it appears cleanly on invoices and reports. If you use internal codes, add a SKU or product code. This is optional, but it helps with searching and consistency. Add a description that will appear on invoices. Think of this as your customer-facing line item detail. You can keep it simple or include specifics like size, model, or scope, so your customers know exactly what they're paying for. Enter the sales price or rate. If your price changes from job to job, you can leave this blank and fill it in on each invoice, but setting a default saves time and reduces errors. Select an income account to categorize your sales. This choice determines where revenue lands on your profit and loss. If you're not sure which account to use, stick with your standard sales income account or check with your accountant to keep your reporting clean. Optionally, add a cost and an expense account if you want to track profit margins on this item. This is helpful when you know your typical cost for a service or item and want to see margin insights in your reports. When you're done, choose Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you're adding several items in a row. That's it. Your product or service is now ready to use on invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.